Hi, this is Jenny with My Personal Estate Sale LLC. We have the most amazing double-decker HO train enthusiast setup for sale, available for pre-sale to the right customer. This video will give you a better idea of the size, the magnitude, and what is here. As you'll see, this goes down here, comes around, and we'll eventually end up on the other side. There are various places where you can take apart, break down, and set this up in your own special area for hours of fun with your son, daughters, grandkids, or just yourself. Great little tuckaways and hideouts like caves for your train to explore, with rivers and waterfalls. I have a backdrop here to where we just were, again to give you an idea of the size and magnitude of the setup. Supporting legs below, well maintained, and it's ready for you to customize. Take it to your home, make it your own, add your trains, add your own ice house, your sand house, your depot platform, the hotel. Add it and have fun and enjoy making it your own. This is quite the setup for hours of fun. Great project to do with a loved one, build memories, and have quality time together. Here we come with our river, double-decker mountain, tunnels, caves, snow on top, and lots of fun. Again, we've got some areas here you can see a little bit what's behind the scenes, and it just keeps going on. And the great thing is there are stools and chairs for your enjoyment to be able to get up and take a look, see where your train's off to the next adventure.